Hello and welcome friends, my name is Aditya Pawar and let's start our journey to the universe. So in today's video we have come with some special items. So in this video this video is interclosely linked with the previous episode of our videos, which if you have don't watch the video to understand more better about that. Click on the I button here. Okay, so let's get started. In this video, we are discussing a very basic and very featured question, which is what if we traveled at the speed of light? So first we will get an insight that what is light. So first we will get an insight. So as we all know that light is neither a wave or light is neither a particle, but if you do a double slit experiment, then you will see light in the form of waves. If you do the double slit experiment through particles, you will see the wave function, which we call in physics. So this video is particularly about that. So light is an electromagnetic wave which has a speed of 186,262 miles per second, which is according to Indian time scales 3 lakh kilometers per second, and that speed is very unreachable for humans like us and for any other or human made services and agencies. So it is very hard to travel at the speed of light, because if we travel at the speed of light, we will consider the most two basic concepts of light. We will violate them, means we will harm them or light. If we travel through light, then these two theories will get fully falsified. So what are these two theories? First, the slowing of time. As we have known from our 4 black hole lectures, that when the light reaches a black hole, as it goes further and further according to Hubble's redshift, it gets wider and wider, and until it reaches at a point, the singularity, at that point where it is not even escapable. But why does this happen? Because light has a particular property that it has a photon or an electron. So what is a photon? A photon is a minimal packet of energy, but its mass is very less than compared to us. So what happens to a photon? That a photon can travel enormously immense speed. It can travel through a wave or it can travel through a particles, according to double slit experiments. So in this photon, there is another particle called tachyon, as you have mainly known from the experiment was going at LHC some years back, that there was a new hypothetical particle named tachyon, which was a particle that travels more faster than the speed of light. As we know from Einstein's mass equivalence equation, E is equal to mc square. So the c square is the speed of light squared. So the speed of light is a certain given amount, which is the fastest speed in our universe. Nothing can go further than that, but some things can only go below that, not further. Yes, if you understand or believe the tachyon theory, you're right, but tachyons are hypothetical. If you prove them, it might be the greatest discovery of all time, that light is not the fastest speed of the universe, hence proving Einstein wrong. So why is tachyon an impossible mystery? Because as photon, the mass of the particle is very less. As a tachyon, we don't know any mass particle or any weight that a tachyon has. So it is infinitesimal small, that we don't know. And as of humans, we don't travel at the speed of light because slowing of time would occur, and as the light is there, if there are some immense gravity as I have talked in my black hole lectures. If there is an immense gravity, understand a black hole. If the light is reaching the black hole, then it would a process called gravitational lensing that takes place in this. So what would happen to the light if you have an immense gravitational spatially curved object over here? That light's trajectory, which is rectilinear motion, would curved around this gravity. Why does this happen? Because, as I said, photon has mass but is infinitesimally small. That's why. But it would affect at greater scales of gravity, as we understand from general relativity. So as of today, we haven't yet proved that what if we could travel at the speed of light. If there is some hypothetical time travel machine or anything, we could travel as fast as we could and see everything or every world, every dimension which we are living, 3D dimensions, just slowing until at the point, as I said, the singularity. At that point, time eventually stops, speed eventually stops, nothing happens because our physics laws don't work. They are all failed, they are all falsifiable. So what are the contributions of humans? As we know from James Clerk Maxwell, a physicist, who introduced to us through the main concept, electricity and magnetism, added these both concepts and made and founded the basic foundation, electromagnetism, which is a career and a topic mainly interested in students. So in this, what did he say? As Maxwell founded the electricity and magnetism, the wave functions of this, the interactions of light and matter, QED, quantum electrodynamics, as he found that, he produced four important laws of Maxwell's laws. So the first one is Gauss's law, second one is Gauss's law for magnetism, third law is Faraday's law, and the fourth one is Ampere's law. These four are the very important building structures, the very basic foundation to all the technicians, all the electrical engineers, and everything you want to be. These four laws will, whenever and however, will come in your life once. Or if you are taking or choosing the physics degree, you will get a lot of laws. But these four are very important. As we have known that James Clerk Maxwell was not enough famous, but his laws were as equal as the most famous laws, just like we take Albert Einstein's laws, that E equals mc squared, general relativity, photoelectric effect, and special relativity. So if we travel through light, we experience these two objects which could do this. But if we imagine, example, take a light photon, then experience its medium through something other object like wood, air, or water, then the speed of the light would decrease time by time if it passes through these objects, because the bonding of these objects are very loosened or very tightened. As of vacuum, there is no air, there is no water, and there is no nothing. So this happens mainly. But if you take a charged particle and places through it as the same medium, it will drive faster. So does it mean that you have proven Einstein wrong? No, just because light has diminished its speed. If light is at normal rate, no one can reach it. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more further and future updates. Comment below if you have any questions, any queries, or any suggestions about my channel, or if you have any questions. Please do comment down, like the video, subscribe, share to as many as possible to know this knowledge, because it's a very basic and featured question. And all my social media links given in the link and description below. So please watch them, please follow on them, and till then, peace.